Hi, I'm Dr. Andre Artmann, acupuncturist and Chinese medicine practitioner, and today I'm here to talk to you about constipation. Constipation is a common disorder that affects a lot of people, and it can be quite painful and uncomfortable. The good news is that acupuncture is a really good treatment for it, often getting results within 1 to 3 treatments. If it's long-standing constipation, it can take a little bit longer. Often dietary changes are required. From an Oriental perspective or from a Chinese medicine perspective, constipation is seen as a disorder due to heat. So what that means is we can think about it quite literally. When the stool is in the bowel, it requires a degree of moisture to move through, or a degree of moisture in order to have the mobility. So what heat does is the heat dries up the fluids in the bowels and thereby creating a firmer and harder stool. So that thereby causes constipation. So what an acupuncturist will do is determine where the heat's coming from, whether that's dietary or whether that's pathogenic. And what that means is it can either be due to diet, so certain foods understood to be quite hot or quite warming. A couple of the major ones are chili, turmeric, and ginger. So if someone is consuming too much of these hot foods, that can actually dry up the fluids in the bowel, thereby creating the constipation. What the pathogenic means is it can be external influences that are affecting or causing heat in the body, thereby again creating less fluid or drying up the fluid in the bowel and resulting in constipation. The other is pathological, and what that means is if the heat is getting caused by a pathological problem in the body, which can be due to a deficiency of one of the certain organs. And so what that does is creates an internal heat, and that internal heat dries up the fluids in the bowels, thereby creating again a harder stool and resulting in constipation. So acupuncture can address all of these issues, or rather an acupuncturist can address all of these issues, whether it's pathogenic, pathological, or dietary. And yeah, we get really good results. So often clients will get up from the treatment and they'll go home and have a bowel motion. Some patients don't even make it that far, which is why we always have a toilet in the clinic. So if you're one of these people that are suffering with constipation, then acupuncture is a really good treatment. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can also email or DM me. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a nice day.